Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ako nga pala si Sheila Digala Maranya from BEd 2D, ang inyong tagapag-ulat sa araw na ito. Sa araw na ito ay ang tatalakayin natin ay ang adding integers. Pag-aralan muna natin ang same sign. Pag sinabing same sign, pag nakita natin na parehas negative or positive yung ating i-add, ay gagayahin lang natin yung kanilang sign. So, okay, let's proceed to our example. Negative 12 plus negative 31 is, diba, katulad lang sila ng sign, equals 43. Gagayahin lang natin yung kanyang sign, kaya siya ay naging negative 43. Okay, another example. Example number 2. Negative 25 plus 12. So, dahil same sign sila, ang sagot natin dito is 37. Negative 37. Ayan. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon naman ay ang color counting number. So, ayan, example. 5 plus negative 3. Tingnan natin maigi itong picture. Yung naka-red is negative at yung faint is positive. Pag ganyan, gagamit tayo dito ng minus. I-minus natin yung color red sa 5 dahil yung 5 ang mas malaki sa 3. Huwag muna nating pansinin yung sign na gagamitin natin. So, ayan. Babawasan lang natin yung mataas na number. Yan. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Kaya siya naging positive 2. Mas malaki kasi yung positive number kaysa sa negative number. And example number 2. 2 plus negative 5. So, babawasin lang natin siya doon sa color red, yung 2. 2 minus 5 equals 3 or negative 3. Kaya siya naging negative 3 dahil very good. Dahil mas mataas yung negative na number. Kaya siya yung ginamit nating sign. Ayan, meron tayo ditong dalawang halimbawa ng adding integers using number line. Negative 3 plus 2 equals, so bago natin siya makuha ang sagot, pupunta muna tayo sa negative 3. Negative 3, move forward tayo sa 2. Add natin yung 2. 1, 2. So, answer is negative 1. Another example. 2 plus negative 5. So, start tayo sa negative 2. Bibilang tayo ng 5 papunta sa negative. Punta sa negative. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, answer is negative 3. Malinaw ba? So,
good morning everyone. My report is multiplying and dividing integers. I'm Rochelle Araya. This is my report. Lesson outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to describe and interpret the multiplication and division of integers using material such as algebra tiles, counters, chips, and card. Apply the rules of dividing integers and solve problem involving multiplication and division of integers. Warm up, problem of the day, lesson presentation. Rules of multiplication and division of integers. Same sign, positive equals positive, negative plus negative equals positive. Positive divide positive equals positive. Negative divide negative equals positive. Sa different signs, positive and negative equals negative. Positive and negative equals negative. Sa negative sign, positive divide negative equals negative. Positive divide negative equals negative. Multiplying and dividing integers. Problem of the day. To discourage guessing on a multiple choice test, a teacher assigned 5 points for a correct answer and 2 points for an incorrect answer and 0 points for leaving the question unanswered. What is the score for a student who had 22 correct answers, 15 incorrect answers, and 7 unanswered questions? Learn to multiply and divide integers. You can think of multiplication as repeated addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 6. Makikita naman natin dito sa picture kung paano ito ginawa. Additional example 1. Multiplying integers using repeated addition. Find each product. Letter A, negative 7 times 2 equals negative 7 times 2 equals negative 7 plus open parenthesis negative 7 equals negative 14. Think negative 7.2 equals 2.7 or 2 groups of negative 7. Letter B, negative 8 times 3 equals negative 8 times 3 equals open parenthesis negative 8 plus open parenthesis negative 8 plus open parenthesis negative 8 equals negative 24. Think negative 8.3 equals 3 point negative 8 or 3 groups of 8 of negative 8. Try this example 1. Find each product. Letter A, negative 3.2 equals negative 3.2 equals negative 3 open parenthesis plus open parenthesis negative 3 equals negative 6. B, negative 3.3 equals negative 5.3 equals open parenthesis negative 5 plus open parenthesis negative 5 plus open parenthesis negative 5 equals negative 15. Remember, the cumulative property of multiplication states the order does not matter when you multiply. Example 1 suggests that when the signs of two numbers are different, the product is negative. To decide that what happens when both numbers are negative, look at the pattern at right. Notice that each product is 3 more than the preceding one. This pattern suggests that the product of two negative integers is positive. Multiplication and division are inverse operations. They undo each other. You can use this fact to discover the rules for division of integers. 4 point open parenthesis negative 2 equals negative 8. Negative 8 divide open parenthesis negative 2 equals 4. Same sign yung negative 8 and negative 2. Kaya magiging positive siya. Negative 4, open parenthesis, negative 2 equals 8. 8 divide negative 2 equals negative 4. Dahil different sign siya. Yung 8 is positive, then yung 2 is negative. Kaya magiging negative 4 ang sagot. The rule for division is like the rule of multiplication. Multiplying and dividing integers. If the sign are the same, your answer will be positive. If the sign are different, your answer will be negative. Additional example, 3a and 3b, dividing integers. Find each quotient. Negative 27 divide 9. Negative 27 divide 9 equals negative 3. Think, 27 divide 9 equals 3. The sign are different, so the quotient is negative. Letter B, 35 divide negative 5. 35 divide negative 5 equals negative 7. Think, 35 negative 5 equals 7. The sign are different, so that quotient is negative. Additional example 4. Averaging integers. Mrs. Johnson kept track of a stock she was considering buying. She recorded the price change each day. What was the average change per day? Day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yung price change sa dollars is $1, negative $1. No, Tuesday is $3, Wednesday $2, Thursday is negative $5, and Friday is positive $6. Find the sum of the changes in the price divided to find the average. Open parenthesis, negative 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus, open parenthesis, negative 5 plus 6 equals 5. 5 over 5 equals 1. The average change per day was $1. Lesson quiz. Find each product or quotient. Negative 8 times 12 equals 96. Negative 3 times 5 times, open parenthesis, negative 2 equals 30. Negative 75 divide 5 equals negative 15. Negative 110 divide, open parenthesis, negative 2 is 55. Number 5, the temperature at the Bar Harbor, Maine was negative 3 Celsius Fahrenheit. It then dropped during the night to be 4 times as cold. What was the temperature then? Negative 12 Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. That's all my report, and thank you.